Hey, I'm Gordon from TentBox, and today we're going to show you how to install your tunnel awning for your TentBox Lite 2.0. This process is exactly the same for the TentBox Lite XL. It's very straightforward, and with a little practice it should only take a few minutes. The first thing you need to do is open your TentBox. To make sure that you're fully sheltered, double check that the rainfly is attached and it isn't in summer mode before making a start. Now it's time to unpack the tunnel awning. In the bag you'll find the tunnel awning fabric and 2 telescopic prop poles, as well as some guy ropes and pegs. Identify the top of the fabric panel by finding the plastic hooks. Attach those hooks to the fabric tabs above your TentBox door, then let the fabric hang while you sort out the next step. Next, grab the guy ropes and telescopic props, extending them to the desired height. Locate the eyelets in the tunnel awning fabric, then slide the top of the prop into the fabric eyelet. Place the guy rope knot above, then keeping the prop upright, pull the guy rope outwards until you're happy with the tension. Using a mallet, we recommend pegging the guy rope down at roughly a 60-degree angle. You can use the metal adjuster to alter the tension if needed, and you can finish adjusting after it's all set up. Repeat this process on the other side, making sure that the telescopic props are the same height. Now it's time to secure the side panels. We find it easier to start with the eyelet closest to your car. Pull it outwards, ensuring adequate tension is applied to the fabric. Remember, the shorter your car, the further out these will need to go. If you're using a taller vehicle, the fabric will be more vertical. Now simply peg them down using a mallet, then tighten using the adjustable straps. Do the same thing with the other eyelet, then repeat on the other side. If the forecast looks a little unpredictable, you can install some additional guy ropes to the roof of the tunnel awning for extra security. Try not to tighten them too much, or you might squash the roof a little. And there you have it. You've now installed your tunnel awning onto your TentBox Lite XL or your Lite 2.0, completing your setup with some extra shelter. If you have any questions about your tunnel awning or anything else, just reach out to our friendly team of product specialists and they'll be happy to help.